Hi everyone, this is Divasunam. Welcome to my channel again. Now today we'll discuss about the fractions. Now uh, first I'll write fractions in my board. Okay. Before starting the fractions, I want to give you some basic concept about the fractions. Okay. Now if a certain quantity of rice, if a certain quantity of rice is divided, if a certain quantity of rice is divided into four equal parts, then each part so obtained is said to be one fourth of the whole quantity of rice. Quantity of rice. Okay, now fractions. Okay, now this particular topic, fractions, whenever we are talking about the fractions it started from the class 4 above. Okay, so the students, when they reach class 3 4, they have to study about the fractions. Now fractions, whenever we are talking about the fractions, okay, I want to give you the example about the rice. Okay, rice, if the rice is divided into four equal parts, okay, suppose rice, four equal parts, first part, second part, third part and fourth part. Okay, the it divided into four parts. Each part so obtained is one fourth of the whole quantity of rice. Now okay, see, 1 2 3 4 parts and 1. Okay, it is divided into four equal parts, so each part is called one fourth of the whole quantity of rice. Okay, now okay, I want to give you another example. Okay, if an apple is divided into five equal parts, each part is called one fifth of the whole apple. Okay, now okay, if there are five students, we can say, or the five people or the five persons, that particular apple is divided into five equal parts because the five persons has to eat the apple. Okay, now each part is called one fifth of the whole apple. Now we can say one student or one person or one particular people, they have to eat one fifth of the whole apple. Now this is called the fraction. Okay, now okay, in five parts, if two parts are eaten, okay, there are five parts of the apple. If two parts are eaten, how many left? Now we can say three parts are left. Now we can say the two fifth of the part is eaten. And how many left? 3 by 5 part is left within the apple. Now we can say this 1 by 4, this 3 by 4, these are the fractions. Okay, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 4, 1 by 5 and 3 by 5 and 2 by 5 are the fractions. These are the fractions. Okay, these numbers represent the particular fractions of the whole quantity. Okay, whole quantity is 4 in this particular rice. Okay, in this apple whole quantity is 5, but 1 by 4, 3 by 5, 1 by 5, these are the fractions. Okay, now okay, this is the basic concept of the fractions. Now we'll do more about the fractions. Okay, now fractions. Now okay, types of fractions. Okay, types of fractions. First type is like fractions. Okay, like fractions means the same denominator. Example 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 4 by 9, okay, 5 by 9. Okay, whenever the denominators are the same, in that particular case the fraction is called the like fractions. Okay, we can say this 2 is numerator and this 9 is denominator. Now 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9. In this particular fractions, we can say the denominators are the same. That's why it is called the like fractions. Okay, now number 2, unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. Okay, unlike fractions means fractions with the different denominators. Example, 2 by 4, 1 by 6, 5 by 8, 3 by 9. Okay, unlike denominators. Unlike means different denominators. Different denominators. Okay, same denominators. Okay, in this particular fractions, we can say the different denominators are there. Okay, it doesn't matter numerator may be same, but the denominator should be different. Okay, 2 by 4, 4, 6, 8, 9. These are the different denominators. So these fractions are called the unlike fractions. Okay, it's very simple. These types of fractions the students must know before starting the calculations of the fractions. Okay, number 3. Now we can say the unit fraction. Okay, unit fraction. Unit fractions means 1 by 2, 1 by 4, then 1 by 1, then 1 by 3, then 1 by 10, 1 by 8, etc. Okay, unit fractions means the numerator should be 1. Okay, if the numerator is 1, okay, those fractions are called the unit fractions. It doesn't matter denominator, it should be 1 also, it should be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 100, whatever the number, but the numerator should be 1. In that particular case, we can say these fractions are the unit fractions. Okay, unit fractions. Now after unit fractions, number 3 we have finished. Now I'll just rub the board. Now number 4, proper fraction. Proper fractions. Okay, proper fractions. Example, 3 by 4, 5 by 8, 6 by 9, 2 by 7. These are the proper fractions. Okay, proper fractions means the numerator should be less than the denominator. Okay, numerator should be less than the denominator, or we can say denominator should be greater than the numerator. That means 3 is less than 4. Proper fractions, 5 by 8, it is less than 8. Okay, it is less than 9, 6 is less than 9, 2 is less than 7. Numerator, denominator. These are the proper fraction. Okay, now number 5. Number 5, improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay, improper fractions means the opposite of proper fractions. That means, example, we can say 5 by 3, 9 by 2, okay, 6 by 4, then 19 by 18. Okay, these are the improper fraction. Okay, improper fraction means denominator should be greater than numerator. It is numerator and it is denominator. Okay, now denominator should be less than the numerator. Okay, denominator should be less than the numerator. Okay, in this case, improper fractions, 5 is bigger than the 3. That means numerator is bigger than the denominator. In this case, 9 is bigger than the 2. Numerator, denominator. Okay, numerator, denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. These are the improper fractions, or we can say improper fraction is the opposite of the proper fractions. These are the 5 types of fractions. We will see the another types of fractions in my next video. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe my channel, and if you want to know more, you can write in my comment box also.